Hello everyone! Today we will be making ldrees paya. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mutton paaya. 1 mutton bone. 1 jug for glass water. 1 teaspoon haldi powder. 1 teaspoon adrak powder. Cook for 1 hour medium flame. Cook until meat is soft. 1 cup oil. 1 tablespoon adrak lahsun paste. 2 onions. 2 Cook until brown. Take out onion. Take a mixer. Fried onions. Half cup beaten up yogurt. Blend. Pour mixture in hot oil. Spices: paya masala, zira, cumin seeds, salt, coriander powder 1 teaspoon each. Pour mixture in payas. Let cook for 5 minutes. Mutton paaya is ready. Results: